Next topic is power of the lenses. Okay, power of lenses is the power of the lens is the measure of the degree of converge and the diverging of the light rays falling on it. Okay, for that we use the formula P is equals to 1 upon F. What does it mean? Power is equals to 1 upon focal length of the lens. Okay, and in that also it will be means calculated in the meters itself. Okay, so simply we can say when the point of the convergence of the ray light, okay, means suppose this is the optical center. Suppose this is the optical center. Okay, and we are saying that when the point of the conversion of the ray of the light close to the optical center, means this is close. Okay, we can say that this is the converging ray and it is close to the optical center in the case of the convex lens. Okay, so it is said to have more converging power or greater power. When the point of the converging ray of the light lies from the optical center of the convex lens, means this is away, okay, of the optical center or the ray, means we can say that it is away from it, from the optical center of the convex lens. So it is said to be have less converging power or lesser power. So on that basis we can conclude that the lens of the short focal length has more power, whereas the lens of the long focal length has less power in the case of. Okay, so simply we can say for convex lens, suppose I am saying for the concave lens. Okay, for the concave lens, you say focal length F will be negative. And so power will be also negative. But in the case of the convex lens, focal length will be positive. So power is also positive. And its SI unit is dipto. Okay, and it is denoted by D. So simply we can say that power of the convex lens is positive and the power of the concave lens is negative, and its SI unit is diopter and it is denoted by D, and 1D is equals to 1 meter per 1 meter minus 1, means power minus 1. Okay, so 1D we can say it will be 1 meter minus 1. Okay, and apart from that, 1 diopter is the power of the lens of the focal length that of 1 meter itself. So the power of the lens can be measured directly by using the diptometer also. There is a instrument that is called as diptometer. By that the power of the lens can be measured directly also. So the instrument is used by optician to measure the power of the expected lens. That is what diptometer. Okay, by that it can be directly used. Okay, this was all about this chapter, and by this we are going to finish this chapter, and some of the numericals is also there which we will do here.